No, there's nothing left I want to say to you. There's something cool about folding a phone shut to hang up a call. You simply can't do this on a regular candy bar phone. And here are few other things you only can do on a flip phone. Say you're planning on proposing to your girlfriend during a dinner date, so you hide the ring box in one of your pant pockets. You fill the other pocket with your car key, wallet, and a packet of tissue to wipe her tears of joy after accepting your proposal, or for yourself when she rejects you. But now, where do you keep your phone? Well, when folded, the Find N2 Flip is short enough to slide completely into your shirt pocket. This means you don't have to put the phone on the table, which to most people is considered a bit rude. Good luck. When do you see yourself using your phone with one hand? Well, if you ask Hanif, he will tell you it's when walking to work while drinking a cup of coffee. So, what if he suddenly got a text asking for his whereabouts? He can easily and quickly use the cover display on the Find N2 Flip to reply with a preset message.
Hey, you look like that Google CEO. Can we take a selfie?
Sure.
Thanks, bye.
This is Kyra, and she loves creating content for social media. However, she's limited by what she can do in front of the camera because one hand always has to hold the phone. Just fold the Find N2 Flip halfway and you have yourself a makeshift tripod. Now you have the freedom to do more things in front of the camera.
Wait, using selfie camera is great and all, but what if I want to use the main camera?
Easy! Just click Show on Cover Display. That way, you can see yourself on the cover display so you know exactly how to frame yourself.
That's great! Thank you, dude!
You're welcome! Now, at this point you're wondering, won't folding the phone create a crease? Well, let me show you. But first, I'm gonna need the phone back. Can I have the phone back?
No, never in a million years.
I need the phone back. To maintain the sense that you are just using a regular candy bar phone, OPPO has engineered the new generation flexion hinge, which guides the screen into a specific water drop fold, resulting in a lighter crease. As a result, even when you're watching videos, especially off-angle, you won't be distracted by the crease much. Moreover, the crease has a shallow dip, which means the screen will feel smoother when gliding your fingers across the crease while scrolling through a web page. The Find N2 Flip comes in either gloss moonlit purple or a textured astral black, and is available for purchase today. As always, you can find more information down in the description section. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support to everyone who worked hard on this project. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!